Greetings of the day. My name is Yashwin Anand, and I'm a first year student pursuing Masters of Business Administration from Christ University. Today, I'm here before you to summarize the case study RBC Mobile Wallet by R. Chandrasekhar. The case study centers around a pivotal moment at Royal Bank of Canada (RBC) in mid-October 2012. Linda Mantia, Executive Vice President, and Jeremy Bonstein, Head of Emerging Payments, are faced with a critical decision concerning the launch of RBC's first mobile wallet. This mobile wallet was designed to replace the traditional leather wallet and was set to offer customers a convenient and contactless payment experience through their smartphones. RBC's mobile wallet initiative was driven by the need to stay ahead of competitors and leverage the rising trend of mobile payments in the fast evolving payment industry. However, as Mantia and Bonstein prepared to finalize a deal with a leading telecom operator for a SIM card based solution, they were conflicted due to the development of an innovative cloud based alternative. The newly conceived RBC Secure Cloud offered a radical departure from the SIM card norm, promising reduced cost, enhanced user experience, and greater control over customer data. The case delves into the dynamic landscape of global payment industry with a focus on mobile payment and emergence of mobile wallets. It explores the challenges faced by traditional financial institutions like RBC as they navigate through disruptive technologies and competition from non-banking startups. At the heart of the dilemma, the the there lie five key contrasting factors between SIM card-based solution and cloud-based RBC Secure Cloud. These factors include industry norms, data security, storage capacity, cost implications, and user experience. Mantia and Bornstein must weigh these considerations carefully as they contemplate whether to adopt the industry standard approach or forge a new path with innovative cloud-based solution. Additionally, the case explores the broader mobile payment ecosystem, the role of various stakeholders, and potential impact on customer experience and adoption. The decision taken by RBC will not only shape its position in the payment industry but also determine its ability to embrace disruptive solutions and remain competitive in a rapidly changing landscape. Overall, this case study presents a compelling tale of strategic decision making in the face of technological disruption, industry norms, and pursuit of customer centric solutions in the payment area. Moving on to the next slide. Stakeholders. The major stakeholders in this case are Linda Mantia, Executive Vice President, Digital Payments and Card at Royal Bank of Canada. She is one of the decision makers facing the dilemma of choosing between the SIM card based mobile wallet or the cloud based RBC Secure Cloud. Jeremy Bonstein, Head of Emerging Payments at Royal Bank of Canada, he is another decision maker involved in choice between the two mobile wallet solutions. Royal Bank of Canada, one of the Canada's largest banks with a vision of being its client's first choice in financial services, RBC is considering launching its first mobile wallet and has developed both the SIM card based solution and the cloud based RBC Secure Cloud. Canadian telecom operator. The telecom operator from one of Canada's leading telecom operators with whom RBC is considering partnering for launch of its mobile wallet. The telecom operator's wireless network would enable the mobile wallet to gain access. Competing banks. Other banks and financial institutions in the payment industry are stakeholders as they are also considering launching their own mobile wallets and competing for space in the limited storage capacity of SIM cards. Merchants, business and retailers accepting payments through mobile wallets are stakeholders as the success of the mobile wallet depends on its acceptance at merchant locations. Mobile device manufacturers, companies like Android, Google, BlackBerry, iOS, Apple, Microsoft, our stakeholders as their mobile operating system and devices play a critical role in choice of mobile wallet solutions. Customers, RBC's customers who would be using mobile wallets as stakeholders as the success of the mobile wallet depends on its ease of use, security, and overall user experience. Mobile payment industry, the broader payment industry, including payment network, technology providers, regulators, and stakeholders as mobile payments and mobile wallet impact the entire industry landscape. Investors and shareholders. Investors and shareholders of RBC are stakeholders as the success or failure of the mobile wallet initiative can have implication on the bank's financial performance and market reputation. Moving on to the next slide. Problems. The major problems in the case study are Choosing between SIM card based and cloud based mobile wallet, RBC is facing a dilemma in deciding whether to go with the industry standard SIM card based mobile wallet supported by telecom operators or to opt for their in house innovation, the RBC Secure Cloud, which would reduce the cost and improve user experience but would require breaking ranks with industry norms. Uncertain industry landscape, the mobile payment industry is in its early stage of development, with various players vying for a place in the ecosystem. RBC needs to navigate these complexities and uncertainties of the industry to make the right decision. Security and data privacy concerns, the mobile payment industry faces significant challenges related to data security. RBC must ensure that any solution they choose is secure and can protect consumer data from potential breaches. Limited storage capacity of SIM cards. The SIM card based solution faces limitations in terms of storage capacity, making it difficult for RBC to offer multiple cards and additional personal data on the SIM card. Complex mobile device ecosystem. There are multiple operating systems and mobile phone devices in the market, each with its own payment system. RBC needs to ensure interoperability and compatibility with various devices. Consolidation among Canadian telecom carriers. The ongoing consolidation among Canadian telecom carriers complicates RBC's search for a suitable partner to support their mobile wallet solution. Fragmentation among mobile device manufacturers. The fragmented market of mobile device manufacturers poses a challenge in choosing the right platform and ensuring broad adoption. Competing with disruptive solutions, RBC faces the risk of being replaced by disruptive solutions if they do not keep up with customers' demand in the mobile payment space. Market growth and adoption rates. The relatively low adoption rate of smartphones and mobile payments in Canada might influence RBC's decision to pursue mobile payments or delay the implementation. Certifications and alliances. RBC needs to address whether network providers and telecom carriers would certify and support their cloud based solution and be willing to break rank with industry norms to accommodate their approach. Timing and future projections. RBC needs to consider the timing of their entry into mobile payments market, whether they should wait for the market to mature further before making a decision. So, coming to the next slide, which is solutions. To overcome the problem identified in the case, Linda Mantia and Jeremy Bonstein should carefully evaluate the pros and cons of both the SIM card based mobile wallet and the cloud based mobile wallet and make a strategic decision based on several key factors. So I think conducting a comprehensive feasibility study is important. RBC should conduct a thorough feasibility study that includes a detailed analysis of SIM card-based mobile wallet and RBC Secure Cloud. This study should cover aspects like cost analysis, technical capabilities, user experience, security, and potential partnerships. Analyze industry trends and customer preferences. Mantia and Bonston need to closely examine the industry trends and customer preferences and the current state of mobile payment adoption. Understanding how customers are using mobile wallets and the features they prefer can help them make an informed decision. Evaluate potential partnership. If RBC decides to proceed with the cloud based solution, they need to evaluate potential partnerships with players in the industry. This includes securing a telecom operator that is willing to support RBC's cloud based mobile wallet and finding device manufacturers with right level of interoperability. Addressing security concerns. Security is a critical aspect of mobile payments. RBC should ensure that RBC Secure Cloud solution is robust and adheres to highest security standards to gain customer trust. Consider market timing. Yeah. RBC should assess the market timing for launching the mobile wallet. They can evaluate the competition, customer readiness, and potential for market acceptance to identify the right time for a successful launch. Test and pilot programs. Before a full scale rollout, RBC can conduct pilot programs to test both the SIM card based mobile wallet model and the cloud based mobile wallet. This will help them gather real world feedback from users and make improvements based on their experience. Communicate with regulators and industry stakeholders. Since mobile payment involves financial transactions and data security, RBC should communicate with regulators and industry stakeholders to ensure compliance with regulation and to address any concerns that they might have. Implement a customer education campaign. Regardless of the chosen solution, RBC should launch a customer education campaign to inform and educate their customers about the benefits and features of mobile wallet to drive adoption. stay open to adaptations. The mobile payment industry is evolving rapidly and technologies may change. RBC should remain open to adapting their chosen solution to incorporate emerging trends and technologies to stay competitive. By carefully considering these solutions or alternatives, RBC must make an informed decision on whether to go forward with the SIM card based platform or any other innovative solution that they might have, which is the cloud based platform that aligns with the business goals and customer needs. So, moving on to the case summary. The case study focuses on a dilemma faced by Linda Mantia and Jeremy Bonstein of Royal Bank of Canada in 2012. They were considering the launch of RBC's first mobile wallet in partnership with the telecom operator using the conventional SIM card based solution. However, they had been secretly working on a cloud based alternative called RBC Secure Cloud that would store customer data in RBC's servers, eliminating the need for a physical SIM card. The prevailing industry norm relied on the SIM card-based mobile wallet, but RBC's cloud-based solution promised cost saving and improved user experience. The primary issue was whether RBC should follow the industry standard and stay safe or take the risk of breaking rank to pioneer a new approach. The mobile payment industry was rapidly evolving with various players vying for a place in the market. RBC believed that banks had a competitive advantage in mobile payment market due to their existing relationship with customers and expertise in payment processing. So, the RBC had to consider ongoing consolidation among Canadian telecom operators. So, lastly, RBC faced the option of not pursuing mobile payments at all, given the continued use of credit cards and slow adoption rate of mobile payments among consumers. So, I think the case concludes with Mantia and Bonstein contemplating their next move and aware of the potential risk and rewards associated with their decision. Thank you so much. That's all.